Practice problem 3. It says, explain why and prove that A plus B equals D by writing equations and explaining the angle relationships. All right, so let's pick a place to start. I know that A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. I know that because of the triangle sum theorem, okay? So I have to give my reason. Triangle sum theorem, okay. I also know that C plus D equals 180. I know that because of the supplementary angles theorem, okay? Nothing new here, but I'm trying to prove that A plus B equals D. So look at what we have, okay? Just like in the last lesson where we were replacing equivalent or congruent angles, we're going to do the same thing here, okay? C and C are the same, okay? So what does that mean? That means that A plus B is the same thing as D. So I can replace D with A plus B, or I can replace A plus B with D. So this means A plus B must equal D, because when C is added to either of those things, you get 180. So if that doesn't make sense, I'm going to show you something really quick with numbers, okay? If you're like, what the heck is she talking about? Here's what she's talking about, okay? Let's use numbers. Let's say I have 1 plus 1 plus 3 equals 5. You should agree with me. And then I have 2 plus 3 equals 5. Well, if these are the same, the 3 is there, that means that this quantity has to be the same as this quantity. So this is our A plus B, and this is our D. They have to be the same number, because no matter what, when I add 3, I get 5. So that's why this makes sense. So what did they ask us to do? A plus B equals D. We proved it. Rewind that, watch it again if it didn't make sense. All you're doing is replacing one number for something else that is equal to it. Let's try the next one. All right, determine the measure of exterior angle XFE. So they're labeling it with the 3 numbers, but we know how to do that. So XFE is this angle right here. So I'm just going to use the exterior angles theorem, and I'm going to add the 2 opposite interior angles, 30 plus 40, and I'm going to get 70 degrees is angle XFE, and that's it.